points. 2 points by number 12 sa light. 77, 3 points. 77 sa dark, 3 points. Number 10, triple sa light. Pass to number 15. Oh, mayroong foul. Oh, first 15 foul dark. First throw, number 15 sa light. Not good. Second throw. Oh, tie score. Oh, dark dribble. Pass to number. Pass to number 15. Back to Tomera ng 3 points. Not good. Number 9 sa light rebound. Dribble. 9. Pass to number 10. 3 points. Hindi pasok. Rebound by number 15. Tomera. Not good. Rebound by number 17 sa dark. Number 77. Dribble. Oh, shot. Good shot by number 77 sa dark. Oh, number 9. Back to number 10. Dribble, number 10. Pass to number. Tomera lang. Trace. Wala naman. Number 10. Oh, Tomera lang 2 points. Not good. Oh, nandun. Oh, number 9. Oh, traveling violation. Bola sa light. Number 10 sa light dribble. Pass to number 9. Tomera ng 3 points. Not good. Rebounds number 12 sa light. Pass to number 4. Back to number 12. Pass to number 9. Tomera na lang. Oh, wala eh. Trio. Oh. Number 10. Tomera. Good shot. Tie score na naman. Oh, number 7 sa dark dribble. 77. Tomera ng 3 points. Not good. Rebound. Oh. Rebound 66. Oh, huli sa number 12. Number 12 dribble. Dribble. Tomera. Not good. Rebound. No. Oh. Number 12. Keep by side. Oh, first team foul at line. Extra moment yun. Oh, 66 dribble sa dark. Dribble, pass to number 77. Oh. Same ball, referee's decision. Oh, 77. Dribble. Oh, number 9. Huli sa number 9 sa light. Dribble. Oh, meron ng 3 points. Not good. Oh, huli sa number 13. 13 dribble. 13 pass to number 66. 66 dribble. Dribble pass to number Gumerl. Not good. Rebound naman tumira. Oh, mayroong foul. Number 15. Second team foul ang number light. Mayroong dalawang free throw. Break.
Shout out Clarinda. Kita-kita tayo mamaya doon sa fishing spot.
Okay. Okay. Sab.
Gawin natin 2,000.
2,000.
Last throw. Good shot. 7-5 ang score lamang under. Number 10 sa light dribble. Dribble and light dribble. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 10. Dribble. Number dribble. Pass to, number 9. Dribble. Traveling. Not counted. Traveling violation. Sayang. Bola slide.
Sayang yan.
Number 10, slide dribble. Pass number 15. Number 15, cover, down shot. Nice score na naman. Number 9, slide dart dribble. Pass to number 30. Pass number 66. 66, by traveling violation. Number 10 sa live dribble. Live dribble 10. 10 dribble. Pass number 15. Pass number 10. Goal shot. Lamang na naman. Kapon na goal.
Cellphone ko nandyan.
Number 10 sa live. Number 38, pass number 66. Blind pass. Break.
Bakit? Sige, ko na iwan. Isang cellphone.
Number 10, sa live dribble. Live dribble. Dribble of live. Pass number 15. Dribble of 15. Pass number 4. Number 4 dribble. Tomira. Goal shot. Number 9. Sadar dribble. Number 9. Dribble. Pass to 66. Tomira. Goal shot. 9-11 ang score. 2 puntos ng laman ng live. Number 10 sa live dribble. Pass to number 4. Tomera ng 3 points. Not good. Rebound sa 66. Number 13. Dribble. Pass to 77. Goal shot. Number 77 sa Dar. And live. Wala nang sab. Over. Tomera ng 3 points. Not good. Rebound. Out ang bola. Mula sa Dar. Ang score. Tie score. 9 sa Dar dribble. Dribble number 9. Pass to number 66. Pass to goal. Sayang pass. Hindi napasok. Dribble number 4. Huli naman. Number 10. Nakakuha naman sa pass to number 52. Pass to number 9. Number 15. Tomera. Mayroon foul. Foul. Number Sikanting foul for everything. Mayroong 2 free throw ang number 15 sa line. On shot. That's true. Free foul.
Pwede, naging free throw sa'yo nakapokus.
Good. Ang score, lamang ang line. Number 9, dribble.
Tapos yung first quarter.
Pass number 77. 77 dribble. Tingin ang kapasan. Sino? Number 77. Dribble. Tomera ng 3 points. Go, not goal. Bola sa light. 10 dribble. Pass number 9. Damn.
Pumasok, pumasok. Ano, boss,
Ang
post?
score 16-11.
Tanong, post. Pagka,
Di masyad Kundili. Kundili hard at shot, di masyad.
pasok.
Posisyon sa dark. 29 sa dark, triple. 9 dribble. Holy. Number 3 sa line dribble. Oh, mayroong foul. Foul number 13 foul ang dark. Number 15 dribble. Tumera. Not good. Rebound naman sa 15. Mayroong foul. Number 16 foul under. Inbound. Now. Sayang.
Secure pasa.
Wait. Oh, pula. Game to referee. Oh, 29 sa dark dribble. Treble. Treble 29. Ano sa line? Line. Referee's decision. You stay in the line. Number 9 sa line dribble. Number 10 sa line dribble. Number 10, pass to number 9. Pass to number 50-55. Team 15. Not good. Rebound 77. Oh, number 9. Tovera. Good shot. 13-16 ang score. Number 9. Pass to number 15. 15. Dribble. Number 15. Pass to number 9. Tovera na naman 3 points. Not good. Rebound sa number 11. 77. Dribble. Oh. Oh. 11 foul. 13 fouls under. Number 10 sa line dribble. 10 dribble. Tovera. Not good. Rebound. Only sa 55. Tovera ng 3 points. Not good. Rebound sa 68. Oh, Holy is 55. Togo.
Kanina pa gigil yan eh. Gusto talaga eh, kanina pa eh.
55 sa line. 2 points. 22 sa dark. 29 sa dark dribble. Pass to number 11, 17. Tovera. Not good. Only naman sa number 10. Oh, mayroong foul. Number 29. No, reverse decision. Don't. No. Normal foul. Warning for penalty under. Dribble, pass to number 9. Not good. Rebound. Oh, number 55 na naman. Number 10, tumira ng 3 points. Not good. Rebound. Oh, sa number 15 na naman. Oh, in line. Ang score, 13-80. 11, Sadar, dribble. 29, dribble. Tomera, not good, rebound. No, 177. No, mayroong foul. Seven, light. Inbound. Substitution nga i-rip. Oh, substitution rip. Wala pa rin, wala. Oh. Free throw. Warning. Warning. Live. Delaying the game. Oh, sab dapat mayroon pang sab.
Sayang yung oras, oh.
Mayroon foul.
5 seconds na. Tapos delay the game yung ano.
Dahil bigay na nga yung bola eh. Dahil bigay na ba yung bola? Hindi pa na. Hindi pa na ibigay yung bola.
Overthrow by 77. Not good. Oh, Sabrik. Oh, last throw. Rebound. Not good. Rebounds. Oh. Light pole. Last touch attack. Oh, number 10. Dribble. 10. Dribble. Tomera. Brown. 10 points. 21-13 ang score. Laban-laban ng 8. Posting foul number 16. Penalty rep. Penalty rep. Penalty. Offensive? Anak.
Personal foul, pwede penalty. Ito wala.
Oh, number 10. Light. Dribble. Number 7. Number 15. Back to 55. Oh, shit. Ang score 23-30. Ampo naman. Gold shot. Number 7. Number 15 pa. 11. Oh, mayroon foul. Penalty rin.
Kaya pala. 59 years.
Dalawa free throw.
Free throw.
Si coach.
59 after 59 years.
Dalawa bola. Ang isa hindi masyad. First throw.
Ah, grabe forma.
Last throw.
Lakasan mo konti, coach.
Dalawa dito, Son.
Naman. Oh, early tapping. My last pagyo. Coach, I disqualified you if no have to shot three free throws. Wow, disqualified si coach.
Oh, last shot na. Ikot-ikot bola. Last shot. Last shot.
Captain dribble. Tomira. Good shot.
Balik, balik!
Oh, 77 rebound. Oh. Oh, basic foul na naman. Number 77. Ay, may sabor. Number 9 sa line dribble, pass to number 4, tumira ng 3 points, not good, rebounds number 15, o tapal. Number 22, for pass to 22, tumira ng 3 points, not good. Number 9 dribble, number 9 dribble, oh, lalo na naman. Number 4, pass to number 9. Oh, sorry.
Wala, hindi. Hindi mo na sa Louie.
May injury yan, may huwag. Oh, 66, pass to number 3. Oh. Number 9, bullying. Number 4. Pass to number 12. Oh, good. Taber. Oh, there, 66. Dribble. Oh, number 4, dribble. Pass to number 9. Tumira naman dribbles. Patat.
Dapat ko.
28, 50. Number 9, sa dark dribble, pass to number 13, Tomira, not good, rebound number 12, number 12 dribble, Tomira, not good, nandoon pass number 9, Tomira na naman, wala naman, number 9, oh, mayroong foul, number 12, first and foul ang line. Oh, inbound. Ang score, 28-15. Number 13. 77. Pass number 66. Pass 67. Ball is number 15. 15 dribble 15. Pass to number 9. Pass to 22. Tumira ng 3 points. Oh, wala na eh. Oh, huli naman sa number 9. Number 9 line. Tumira ako. Pass to number 15. Oh, traveling violation. Number 17. Pass to 77. 77 dribble. Oh. Shake ball. Number 9, Tomira ng 3 points. Not good. Rebound, 27. Oh, number 9, dribble. Pass to number 12. Oh, mayroong foul. 13. Dalawang free throw. Sa break. Okay. Free throw, first free throw by number 12. Sa line. Good shot. Last throw. Not good. Rebound, 17. Pass to number 9. 13. Dribble. Good shot. Oh, number 12 sa line. Number 9. Dribble. Number 9 dribble. Pass to number 4. Number 22.
Loy,
Oh, holding naman.
fourth quarter.
Number 9, dribble. Number 9, oh, mayroong foul.
Magsa-shot block lang ako doon.
Saat niya rin. Oh, thank you. Rep, sab. Oh, pasok. Sab. Oh. Mayroong foul. Oh, first row, number 66 na daw. Good shot. Last row. Oh, number 12, rebound. Number 10, light, dribble. Dribble. 10, dribble. Number 4, pass to number 9, Tomera naman. Mayroong foul.
Lalaro ah.
Number 9,
Lalaro ah.
Dark.
Wala ka last week ah.
Oh, tatlong free throw. Point.
Ah. Saan? Sydney? Ay.
Not good. Sab rep. Sab niya rep. Okay. Already? Second row. Good. Last row. Line ball. Din sa line, dribble. Pass to Tumira ng 3 points. Good, ayan. 5-0, isang pasok. Ayaw, potbolon tika. Si Coach lagot kayo. Galit si Coach. Shot. Oh, ang score 20-34. Laban ng 14 points ang light. Pass to number 12. Dribble. Good. Oh, number 11. 66. 29. Dribble. Pass to number 66. Not good. Rebounds number 4. Pass number 9. Number 9. Alam na noon. 55. Walang tao. Number 9 the dark. Triple. Pass to number 66. Good shot. 22-36 na naman. 14 na naman kaya naman. Number 10 sa line. Dribble. Dribble. Number 10. Dribble. Dribble and dribble. Oh. Last touch. Kimball. Oh, na naman si Kirby. Patay na naman. Oh, sorry. Oh, 7-10 rebound. Pass to 66. Dribble. Oh. Oh, dribble. Pass to number 29. 29 dribble. Tower. Goal. Boom. Woo, wala pa rin. Oh, ang sayang. Ang lapit sa rin. Parang ang ring na tulog. Wala na mo. Number 12. Pass to. Oh, huli sa 77. 29 dribble. Dribble, dribble, and dribble. Tumira. Wala pa rin buho. Oh, huli. Huli. Putang, wala pa rin. Oh, 24, 36. In line. final foul. Big or time. Time is over. Ang score 36-24. Maliit na lang na mga kapaw.
Hindi.
Last quarter. Bola sa dark. Posisyon sa dark. Oh, mayroon na tayong shot lock. May shot lock na tayo, ha? Pwede na dribble sa dark. Pass to, sayang. Number 9. Pass to number 10. Number 10 dribble. Pass to referee. Last touch on dark. Tumira na naman. Good shot. 38-24 ang score. Laman na naman. Oh, number 11. Back to 29. Tumira. Not good. Oh, bola sa dark. Outline. Number 10 sa nice dribble. Dribble, Tom, pasa. Huli sa 66. O, 29. Walang kasama. Walang kalaban. Paano naman? 26-38 ang score. Laman ng 12. O, number 7. Pass to number 10. Number 10 dribble. 10 dribble, dribble. Dribble and dribble. Number 10. Dribble, pass to number 12, number 12. Oh, huli sa 66. Oh, 29, pass to 66, 66, dribble, pass to number 13. Good shot, 10 na lang. Time out, rep, and line. Wala. Okay, narinig na pula. Sabi mo sa Erika, number 10, dribble, Tumira naman, not good, rebound sa 29, sa dark dribble, pass to number 77, 77 dribble, pass to naman, ano naman, time out, Red! Oh, wala lang. Points na lamang sa light. Nagkaalam lang ka. Ubus ang score. Oh, time minute. Busil, ang lakas sa busil, parang bigo. Oh, bola sa light. number 10 sa line, dribble. 10 dribble. Line, number 10 dribble. Oh, mayroong foul. 77 foul. First personal foul. Third personal foul, number 77. First and foul, number 7. Back to number 9. Pass to number 10. Number 10 dribble. Dribble number 10. Two. Pass to. Pass to. Oh, mayroong foul. Number 13 sa dark foul. Si Captain Foul under. First throw. Number 12. Good. Last throw. Rebound. Not good. Rebound sa 27. Ulang. Salay. Foul. 13 foul under. Fourth personal foul. Number 10 sa line. Pass to number 9. Pass number 7. Pass to number 15. Take the dribble. Tap. Break na. Break through. Pre, may technical na. Warning na kanina. Ngayon, it's an break through. Break through na. Kalawan ng technical.
Pag magsasab kayo, magka-time out, sabi dito sa committee. Huwag doon sa player. O kaya sa referee.
Okay. Good. Bola pa rin.
Ubus.
Bola, number 77. Dribble. Foul. Mayroong free throw. Free throw. Bonus throw. Good shot. 34-39. 5 na lang. Ang oras, 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Number 10. Light dribble. Dribble alive. Number 10. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Mayroong foul. Warning naman. 14 team fouls. Warning penalty under. First throw. Not good. Last call sa number 12, slide. Goal. Oh, number 9. Penalty. Penalty na, penalty. Warning na, penalty na. Penalty. Rapid throw. Sa update daw sa inyo rin. Penalty ref. Score 46-37. Ang time remaining 34.4 seconds. Sa pasok.
Oh, si Raymond, seconds na lang, nagpasab pa.
Warning, sitting for personal foul. Breakthrough, naman.
Surrender na lang eh.
Five fouls, number 77, fouled out. Penalty rin.
Wag mo akong ilalabas hanggang hindi ako nagpimintig, ha?
Wala na po tayo shot clock ha.
Penalty. Grabing idol ko, 55, walang mintis. Nakaka-preview na ako doon ha. Tubig na walay suot. Batol.
Tres,
Ay, base over, nanalo ang Handball Igor, buwang score 49-40.